Okay, let me introduce this group. This is called Macau IC2 Association, a local nonprofit organization comprising citizens with intellectual disabilities and autism. So they're celebrating Earth Day today, so on this particular event. And actually, I just want to say, like, this particular group, we should really support this group. It's a mix of Chinese and foreigners, and especially helps out people with autism. One of the main guys is actually an autistic person, and he helps organize this event. And it's also kind of an awareness to this group, and they can also try to hopefully eventually get some more funding just to kind of help them with their lives, just because of training for jobs and training to have a community of people with mental abilities, physical abilities, and autism as well. So we're just going to be highlighting this video and just showing the event and showing their participation, and hopefully all the people that were there can also see themselves and feel proud about this day and just them getting together and being represented and celebrated in Macau as well. So hopefully you just enjoy, and I hope that the people that were there can also see themselves. And again, it was a wonderful event. I filmed part of the show and their walk across Fisherman's Wharf. And I also was able to talk to one of the main women who helped organize everything. And she is going to pop up on the screen right in a moment. And let's see, where is she? She is right. She's going to grab me right now. There she is. So yeah, thank you for letting me film and for highlighting the greatness of this group. So let's enjoy. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Okay.
You'll have a red light.
I see, and then just focus thing.
Yep, and yeah. So if you can get close to, because it's not like a camera where I zoom in.
Oh, my friend. Florence. She goes.
And then the red light is on.
Okay.
I can barely move my hands.
Check your door. Oh my God.
Is Ruby Off, founding president of Society of Macau Food and Environmental Safety.
Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.